I'm not sure what kind of birds these are, but there's a ton of them. And they're all flying around this field in the parking lot. And my only guess is that they're going after bugs that are coming out at dusk. There's a couple pretty large, I think, dragonflies and such. I haven't seen anybody swoop down and grab one yet, but there's 1, 2, at least 12 or 15. Shoot, there's more over there. There's more. My God, what is going on? I think they're little falcons. Holy smokes, there's a ton of them. Got white spot on their wings. I can't tell what they are. I wish I knew more about birds. But I'm gonna sit here and watch these for a minute. This is amazing. What is going on? They're mostly kind of dissipating now. I wish I knew what these were. Oh, no, they're back. They're coming back. Wow. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a nice fog coming up and through the woods. You know what? I wonder if these guys have been displaced by the hurricane. I forget the name of her, but I'll add it to the video description, I guess. Alright, that's enough for now.